got a person in my closet. I've got a person in my closet. I've got a person in my closet. Too weak to handle myself out there, huh, Mother? Well, tell that to my frying pan.
A body in the woods? A dead body? No, a body of water. Yes, dumbass, a dead body.
Enable me to be who I am and do what I do, which is apparently nothing if you've been following my channel for the past week, because I've been very busy. I leave for Canada tomorrow. Yeah, I know, that was a surprise. I knew about it, and it was still a surprise to me. So for the past week, I've been doing everything that I needed to do to get prepared for my departure to Canada tomorrow, because you need a lot of paperwork, you need like a quarantine plan. I'm not gonna pretend.
I don't want to die when I've just started living. Okay? I finally have the chance to live a life. And now this stupid crisis is gonna take it all away?
I know it's not fair.
Do you know that Baskin-Robbins has 31 different flavors? I might die before I get to figure out which one is my favorite, or what my favorite song is, or have my first birthday party. 30 years of existing, and I've never had one. That really sucks.
It's chest. Copy off you. This is light. You're a little scary sometimes. You know that. Brilliant, but scary.
A little tiger, and I'm still kinda young. My mama says I'm clumsy, but I think it's so fun. I like to hide in bushes and catch a butterfly. And sometimes I trip over, but I don't really mind. Hey yo, ba-ya-dum-bum. Hey yo, ba-ya-dum-bum. Hey yo, ba-ya-dum-bum. Hey yo, ba-ya-dum-bum. I am Boo the little tiger. I'm stronger than a bear, much wilder than a lion, and I am never scared. Don't hurt mommy! Inside
No!
Grab my room! Get in there.
It's a hobby, really. It helps us relax.
Am I going to be a killer?
Of course, it's been a family tradition for generations.
だからナルト、あんたのことが好きだって言ってもう何でもないって言ったの。あんな人を好きでいた私がどうかして